Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out a 3-inch micro frame from Skyzone. This is Skyzone Micro 140, and it's a TrueX frame here for 3-inch props. It's 140 millimeters motor to motor. It's got a 3 millimeter single bottom plate here with chamfered edges, so it's pretty nicely cut all around. Very smooth edges all around the whole frame, and as you can see here, the way the carbon was cut, it's cut along the correct, at least on this layer here, along the correct path, and the arm does not bend hardly at all. So you can see here I'm trying to bend it. It's very stiff, so pretty good frame overall. You got these two aluminum side pieces, and that provides a cage for the components inside here. Standard mounting here for your 19x19 micro camera, like a Micro Swift or Micro Arrow. This frame only takes a 20x20 stack. You can see here the whole pattern is 20x20, does not take any 30x30 components. And this frame comes together very easily. It's basically the main bottom plate, this top plate, and these two aluminum side plates. Got 4 screws here on top, and you have 4 screws here on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. You also get a Velcro strap here for mounting your battery on the bottom, and that's all you get. The motor hole pattern here is for 13 and 14 size motors, so those motors in that range is going to fit this particular frame. 11 size motors will not fit this frame. Okay, so here's a weight measurement. I think this is going to be on the lighter side for a 3-inch frame. Comes in at 29.6 grams. And here's what this frame looks like with a 3-board stack. And here, this is the HGLRC F428 with a TX20, and it should fit here if I slice off a little bit of those screws or the standoff here. It should fit, but you can see 3 boards should fit in here, no problem, if you're worried about the space for the electronics. So overall, I think this frame is pretty good. It's got plenty of space. It seems like it's fairly strong and fairly light, and it's pretty simple to put together. The one thing that kind of bothers me about this is the price. It's a bit on the expensive side for a pretty simple frame like this. It comes in at $30. It's probably due to the aluminum side plates here. That's what's probably increasing the cost. But yeah, it's a very simple frame. If you want to put together a really quick build with a little 3-board stack here, some motors, and a little micro camera, you should be able to get all that in here and have a pretty nice little micro. Probably, I'm guessing, around 100 grams, maybe a little bit more, depending which motor you use. I'm kind of thinking like 1306 motors will probably run a little over 100 grams for something like this, so that might be a good setup, and it would be really light and have a lot of power for a 3-inch micro. Anyway guys, that's going to do it for this quick video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.